Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to breaking news. Finally, we have update from IBM and Infrrd. IBM Mass Hiring update are there, and Infrrd announced the Associate Software Engineer hiring. Batch of 24-25 can apply. Like and share the video. All videos are for all of you. And apply for opportunity which we are sharing because the hirings are good and their latest hirings are there. IBM Associate System Engineer hiring is there, New Delhi, Delhi, India, 14 hours ago. It is officially one of the mass hiring for the 2024 batch. BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MCA can apply. Okay. When you click on apply now button, so the form will be open in which they clearly mention. Suppose you already applied for the opportunity and you are waiting for the exam mail. So please wait because the examination is in the form of phases, means different dates. Okay. The Infrrd announced the Associate Software Engineer Python related opportunity Bangalore, Karnataka. It is officially on their portal. Associate Software Engineer Python Product Engineering. Generally, they consider the recent and the next batches. A good engineering or master's degree in technology from reputed university in computer science. Sometimes they mention batch, but sometimes they not mention batch. But this time they mention 0 to 1 year of experience with sound fundamental in Python. 24-25 batch have to try to apply for opportunity. For the previous batch I am not confirmed. If you are from 22-23 you can try to apply, but this is a Python developer job responsibility and this is everything. Okay, we are currently seeking immediate joiners to meet the urgent requirement of this role. Though we appreciate all candidates and will consider future opportunity. So it is a skills based opportunity, so 23-22 can also try, but for that 22, 23, 24, 25 can try to apply for opportunity. Okay, so apply for that. They are asking what's your year of graduation, highest degree, everything. Okay, and submit your application. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.